Hey, hey, hey! Welcome back to the JJ's Declutter podcast. I'm Julie.
And I'm Janis. And if your laundry pile is taller than your toddler, today's episode is for you.
We're going to dive into another fractured fairy tale today, full of magic, messes, and a little motivation.
It's Beauty and the Beast, but not the Disney version. Nope, this one's called Beauty and the Mess, a tale as clean as time.
It's a story about taming a beastly home, learning to love your space again, and discovering the transformation that starts with one sock at a time.
We've got cluttered castles, talking teapots, and even a decluttering game show challenge in today's tale. So grab your duster and your imagination. Part 1. Belle moves in. Once upon a time, in a small village full of broken printers and overflowing junk drawers,
There lived a girl named Belle, short for bellhop, because she always carried everyone else's stuff.
she dreamed of a simpler life, fewer piles, a label maker that didn't run out of tape halfway through a project.
While others in the village were hoarding egg cartons and plastic bags, just in case, Belle longed for wide open countertops and closets that didn't attack her when opened,
One day, in a heroic act of sacrificial sanity, she moved into a mysterious castle.
which, plot twist, was just a big old hoarder house.
The rugs were lumpy with mystery clutter. The closets were like escape rooms. And the attic? Let's just say the boxes had boxes.
Oh my. And the furniture? Oh, honey, it talked back. Meet Lumidust, the candelabra who cried every time someone shook out a curtain.
And Mrs. Potts, the chipper old teapot with 72 mismatched mugs and absolutely zero shame.
The toaster was passive aggressive. The armchair had commitment issues. And the bookshelf, full of self help books it never read.
Belle looked around and said, "Okay, this place isn't cursed. It's just unzoned."
Part two, meet the beast. Then there was the beast. Not scary, just super sentimental. The kind of guy who kept broken headphones because he might fix them someday.
He had every receipt since 1999, a collection of dried pens, and don't even get us started on his sock drawer. There was it was more of a sock abyss.
He was deeply emotionally attached to his stuff. Like, this broken lamp reminds me of my uncle's favorite book club. That was the levels that were attached to this guy.
The beast said, "But that cracked mug came from a Renaissance fair in 2007. It holds memories and loose buttons."
Belle tried to gently nudge the beast towards decluttering.
Belle said, "Maybe we can depart with those moldy newspapers."
The beast panicked. But what if I want to reread the classifieds from 2003? Might be a job I missed.
She realized that to declutter the castle, she had to start by decluttering the heart.
Part three, the decluttering challenge. So Belle got creative. She turned decluttering into a game. She called it,
Decluttering, Enchanted Edition, with magical categories like
Does it spark joy or summon allergies? Would I fight a witch to keep this? Could this item come alive and sing? If not, out it goes.
She also introduced the museum versus mansion test. Is your house a museum of memories or a mansion for the living?
They started small, the West Wing, aka the Zone of Doom.
Every pile had a backstory. Every drawer was a Pandora's box. Literally. They found an old Greek mythology kit in one.
They sorted with three zones: keep, donate, and magically disappear, aka trash.
Belle even held a declutter or dare night where the furniture voted on what stayed. Spoiler, the tax receipts from 1996 were voted off the island.
So, your enchanted assignment, picture this. Belle posts a game show. Name that clutter. Category is things you haven't used since the millennium bug was a threat.
And I bet a bunch of people don't know what that is.
I
Um,
know.
the game show for 100 points. What's the dusty device with a floppy disk and zero relevance?
The beast shouted, "My old Palm Pilot! I thought it might be worth something on eBay."
Bah, incorrect. That doesn't have a floppy disk, and your Palm Pilot is now worth about 12 cents and a polite laugh.
Had fun with it. Decluttering wasn't a chore, it was a quest. A little ridiculous, a little emotional, and wildly rewarding. Practical magic, taming the beastly mess. Let's take a break from the fairy tale and give you some real life beast taming tools. You ready, Janis?
You bet. Here are 5 quick decluttering spells. No wand required. Number 1, the 12-minute timer trick. Set a timer for 12 minutes. Declutter for those 12 minutes. Hashtag decluttering dozen. When it dings, stop. You'll be shocked at what you can do in that amount of time.
Number two, the one category at a time rule. Don't attack the whole room. Just do books or just do mugs. Keep it focused on one category at a time.
Number 3, the maybe box. Can't decide? Put it in a maybe box. Put a reminder in your phone to revisit it in 30 days. If you forgot what's inside, you probably don't need it.
Number four, beastly sentimental. Take photos. Take a photo of those ticket stubs and trophies, weird childhood crafts. Keep the memory, not the clutter.
And number 5, get the family involved. You don't have to do it all by yourself. Decluttering is more fun with friends and family. So make it fun, like pretend you're on a treasure hunt or trapped in a magic castle. Kids will love it. Part 4, Love Blooms in the Laundry Room. As the clutter disappeared, so did the grumpiness. The beast began to change.
He started letting go. He even donated his old world's best dungeon master robe. He had three.
And Belle? She learned that love isn't about perfection, it's about progress and maybe a Swiffer.
One day, as they folded towels together, Belle looked around the freshly vacuumed castle and whispered,
Belle said, I think I love you, and I love what you've done with the linen closet.
"So what's the moral of our tale?"
Love your space, don't fear the mess. Face it with courage, humor, and a good cleaning playlist because music can motivate you to tame any messy beast.
Beastly clutter doesn't make you a bad person. It just means your home is asking for a little TLC.
And sometimes transformation starts not with a kiss, but with a compost bin and a donation bag.
And if your linen closet looks like a cotton explosion, that doesn't mean that you're failing. It means you're in the necessary middle, and that is progress. All right, dear declutterers, before we close the castle gates on this episode, we have a magical mission for you.
That's right. Your enchanted assignment this week, should you choose to accept it,
Is to tame one beastly spot in your home. Just one. No full castles, no epic battles. Pick a space that's growling at you.
maybe it's a drawer that hasn't seen daylight since the dial-up era. Maybe it's your coat closet, home of jackets, umbrellas, and possibly Narnia.
Set a timer for 12 minutes. Hashtag decluttering cousin. Play your favorite cleaning playlist. Light a candle if you're feeling very Beauty and the Beast vibes.
And then just tackle it. Just do it.
Yes, do
Toss,
it.
donate, keep only what serves your present day fairy tale.
When you're done, snap an after photo. But you know what to do first? Snap a before photo before you start. So then when you're done, you can share in our Facebook group your before and after. ABC Declutter with JJ community.
We want to see your beast turned beauty moments. No judgment, just support, sparkle, and maybe a little sparkle cleaner.
Remember, that curse breaks not with a kiss, but with consistency.
Bonus points if you name your clutter pile something dramatic like Mount Washmore or the Drawer of Denial.
All right, so whether you're sorting socks or slaying paper piles,
Know this: every castle can shine again, even if it's covered in cat fur.
if you love this episode, tag us on Instagram at ABC Declutter with JJ and tell us what beast you're taming today.
Join our Facebook group for support, laughs, and maybe a magic feather duster or two.
And with that, keep it simple.
Keep it intentional.
And as always,
Keep
decluttering.
decluttering.
Keep decluttering. Keep decluttering.
Keep
And as
decluttering.
always, keep decluttering.
We need to make it into a song and then we'll get it the same thing.
That's exactly. Talk about music vibes. That's where we need it.
Thank you for joining us.
Time.